This is the story of Henrik of Latvia, DJ Veinemin and Veinemin. Hey, let me talk. I have an important story to tell right now, which I've hidden from everyone for years. Now it's my turn. Story needs to come out of me. Yeah, just start talking already. The story is that there is no story. Where did you disappear to? I'm in the forest. Forgive me that I don't want to be in the same forest. Forgive me that I don't want to be in the same forest with you. Hey, shut up. I found thieves. Villagers are here. Look, here's one. Where? Look in the mirror. I know it was you who actually stole. No, I didn't steal. Because I saw there was no one. There was. You already killed them. No, you did kill them. I haven't killed anyone yet today, so you killed our friendship. I have this feeling that you're lying, as Veinemin thought that lying. Veinemin always says, hit in the face whoever. Oh, I found the village. I already found it a long time ago. No, you didn't. Yeah, I did. Oh my god. Battle sounds. Bim. Põmaki. Life candle extinguishing sounds. Brrr. Now this is point of view. You're DJ Veinemin's grandfather Veinemin. Work hard and suffer, then comes love. Hello, Veinemin. Where is DJ Veinemin? I have a little story to that. DJ Veinemin left us the day and tomorrow is the funeral. DJ Veinemin came. That's his restless spirit. We must fight so he can find peace. What the rock did you do to my grandson? Now you're saying my grandson is dead? Exactly. We must arrange a funeral. Give me a shovel. I only have an axe. What the fuck? I'm depressed right now. You need to be happy because that's a lot better. I can't believe you didn't take care of my grandson. I did take care of him, but well, so much that now he's a goner. Yeah. You call that taking care of someone? How did your parents take care of you, if you think that's scary? I don't even have parents. You don't have parents? Holy moly, Grandpa is shocked. Let's go bury him. Yeah. It is day after all. It is the day when the church bells ring. Did you take his bones? I also have a bone. Put it in here. Let's lift up the dirt clops. We'll give him a nice gravestone for show. I already have one. Put it then, please. We are gathered here to remember my grandson, DJ Veinemin. Yes, he died like a hero. What do you have to say? We fought together in the War of Independence in St. George's Night uprising, and every day we sang with a sitar about the Kungla people. I have a lot I'd like to say to him. Then say it, now is the last time. I am saying it, you didn't let me finish. Anyway. With the grandson we fought in the crusade, went to fight in the War of Independence and St. George's Night uprising. We made a bonfire. Every evening in the bar we danced the Muhu waltz and Kaira chain. He was a nice boy, and I'm very sorry that he's no longer among us. Lol. God be with him, Tara. What am I? It's now your turn to add something. Yeah. I picked up a pretty cornflower from the meadow for him. I'm Vainamin, and my son named his son DJ Vainamin. It's so painful to say these words, that the boy is no longer in this world. He was the only family member. What are you doing? Do you think my depression is appetizing? Hey, come on now, I didn't even eat breakfast. I just rushed here to the funeral. Okay, understandable. Where was I? No, well, there's nothing more to say. Then go ahead. And I found a pretty cornflower from the meadow. Give me my flower back. Give me my flower back.